Industrial data centers have been introduced in fairly recent times, along with the advancement of modern-day technology and software. They are large central storage facilities that are used to collect and save data around the world. However, you may not know about the negative impacts these centers have on our environment. Introducing green data centers. Green data centers provide the same features and capabilities of a typical data center but are built and operated on green or renewable energy. During the 1980s, the computer industry experienced the boom of the microcomputer era. This meant that personal computers were being widely used in the office and businesses needed a quick way to establish their presence on the internet. As a result, companies such as Rackspace were fulfilling that need by opening the door to large-scale industrial data centers. Computers were being installed at a rapid rate everywhere we looked, but not much attention was being given to the environmental impact. The majority of data companies use coal and nuclear energy to power their centers. These give off dangerous gases that deplete the ozone layer and also contribute to global warming. Data centers already consume around 3% of all globally generated power and also account for roughly 2% of greenhouse gas emissions. In fact, the carbon footprint produced by these centers is roughly the same as that of the airline industry. For this reason, green data centers were designed to significantly reduce energy consumption and have minimal impact on the environment. Now let's take a closer look at the design. We can see how the construction and operation of a typical green data center includes advanced technologies and various engineering strategies. All aspects of the infrastructure as well as internal systems of these centers have been built to have minimal impact on the surrounding environment. For example, energy-efficient lighting systems, adaptive control systems, evaporative cooling, and variable frequency drives are all installed with the lowest power and carbon footprint. They also typically operate with green or renewable energy such as solar or wind power. Not only do they take away from our precious planet, but also give back to it by allowing plants to grow in and around the center. In this particular instance, the plants are kept under the data center flooring where it allows water to cool down through evaporation, which provides a cooling effect with low emission of carbon. The success of green data centers relies on the green computing strategies and the commitment to new technologies. For example, the next DC data center in Port Melbourne has been fitted with one of Australia's largest solar panel arrays. The 400 kilowatt system is able to offset 670 tons of carbon dioxide emissions per year. With over 50 data centers in Australia alone, going green would be equivalent to getting rid of 16,000 cars off the road each year. From the way we communicate to the way we bank, read news, or even socialize, the internet is something the modern world relies on to power our personal and professional lives. We require a constant internet connection, which in turn stipulates the increasing need for data centers in which we can communicate and store information between servers all around the world. Therefore, there is a growing pressure and a very high importance for governments to offer more green incentives and monetary support for the creation of these ecologically sustainable technologies.